The Support by Sony app allows you to access various support information about your Sony products. Get the most out of your product by receiving update messages and viewing various support contents including manuals and Q&As. Let's begin by downloading the app. Depending on your phone, download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After installation, open the app. Select your current country of residence. Agree to the end-user agreement, then tap Continue. Please go through the privacy document. Tap on Continue to proceed. When installation is complete, you can start bookmarking your Sony products. Tap on the plus sign icon to search for your product. Key in the model name to search for the specific product. Select the model name when it appears. Tap Add to bookmark that product. Select Yes to start viewing available messages. Once you bookmark a Sony product, you will receive notification on latest information and updates. Tap on any of the available messages to view its contents. To bookmark any message, simply press and hold the message, then tap on the bookmark icon at the upper right corner. To bookmark multiple messages, press and hold on the desired messages. Then tap on the bookmark icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the bookmark icon again to remove the bookmark. To delete a message, press and hold on the message, then tap on the trash bin icon at the upper right corner. To sort the messages, tap on the sort icon on the upper right corner of the screen, then select the sorting method. From the My Products page, simply tap on your model to access more information such as recommended articles, video tutorials, important information, software downloads, manuals, and Q&As. For even more useful information and tips, tap on the Highlights tab. Here you can find Get Started guides, video tutorials, along with other tips and tricks for your Sony products. The availability of the Highlights tab depends on your country. You can scan this QR code for more information on Support by Sony app. Thank you for watching.